We're here at Hobby Lobby and I'm going to show you my favorite fall items for this year in store. Now, there are more options online, but this is what I have in store and most of them are available now. So let me show you. Of course, I always wait till the fall florals are at least 40% off before I buy any. The first thing are these berries. I love the plum color. They're like little rose hips, and this color is so on trend this year. It was last year too, and I love these. You know, I love a berry in my wreaths. Another berry that I love are these white ones. These are great. You can use them for fall, but also if you have any left over, they work great for Christmas wreaths and winter wreaths. I use them for all of those seasons. They're really great. Another natural thing I love are these acorns. They look really realistic. They add a great texture if you're wanting something really pretty and realistic, and they're not a bad price, and they're 40% off right now. I love that chestnut walnut color. So pretty. I really love these mauve eucalyptus stems. They're so pretty. That color is very on trend again this year. And I love how you get a lot of different leaves in one spray, and they're really easy to cut off and make little picks. And the leaves are wide enough. They provide a really good coverage, but they're not overwhelming. They work well with others. And then another textural item I love are these thistles. They look really natural and interesting, and they work great for fall, but also really good for Halloween wreaths. I've used these in several Halloween wreaths that have sold really, really well in my shop. They're pretty. I love these magnolia branches. These I think are new this year. These are great. Magnolia leaves are so classic, and the fall colored ones are so, so pretty. I love them. The only thing is the back is a little fuzzy, and with some wear and tear, that's not going to look great. So I would highly recommend having all of these leaves face forward. Some magnolia leaves you can get away with front and back, but definitely these need to be face forward. All right, I love all of these berries down here. There's 3 different colors. One thing I love about them is they provide such a great texture. They're only $3.49 full price, but of course we're going to get them at least 40% off. And you get a lot of different picks with these. I love texture. I love berries and wreaths. And so whether you're going for a cream look or if you want the orange or like the reddish orange, you're covered here. I love all 3 of these. Another one I really like that I think is new this year. I'm not sure what they're called, but they're a really interesting texture. I really like them. I actually picked these up the other day for a wreath I'm going to do in my VIP group. So I'm really excited to show them that. But I love this orange and yellowish coloring. And if you look closely, the different color variations are really pretty. That's one thing I always like to look for when you're shopping for florals. You want to look for realistic coloring. Another item that I love that I have used for many, many years, I've had a few bestsellers using this, and these are also available in the pick aisle, but it's these laurel berries. They have a cream berry and like the prettiest caramel colored leaves. They add the best texture. They're so pretty for fall. I absolutely love them. So you can find these here in the stem aisle, or you can get them in the pick aisle. Another one I love are these maple leaves. These are so good. You get a lot of leaves with one stem. And you can cut these off and make picks. You can make larger picks. You can make smaller picks. You only need like a couple of these to make a full wreath and then add in some other florals with it. But it's a really great fall texture. And I like the colors because you get some beige in it. You get a little bit of brownish orange. Such a pretty color combination for fall. A lot of times with bushes, you can get a lot more foliage for a lower cost. However, usually the quality is a little lower than what you're going to get in the stem. So there's only 2 bushes that I actually recommend here. One of them is this one. You get a lot of branches and berries. I love these berries. I actually have a wreath that I did several years ago here on YouTube that you guys all loved, and it uses these. It's so pretty. I'll link it in the description below. But these berries are great, and you get a ton on one bush. Another bush that I love that I think is new this year is this one down here. I love that you get all these different color browns and beiges in one bush. You get acorns and you get pine cones and this little eucalyptus berry texture all in one bush. Now, every leaf isn't as good of quality as if you bought them individually in their own stems, but when you get all of them at once, it'll help you make a beautiful, cohesive wreath without spending a ton of money. So, this can be a great option if that's your goal. Cute. Now, there are a couple fall ribbons that I like, but only a couple. And it's these velvet ones, particularly the caramel and the blue. I use this caramel and this blue for both fall and Christmas. And they're a pretty good price. And these are great for those droopy, skinny ribbons that we all love to either love or hate. I love them. Right next to the ribbon is our picks. I love the pick aisle. And the first thing I like are these magnolia leaves. They're not the best quality, but I love the color and they're going to make a great filler that's inexpensive. They're only $2.99 and then of course 40% off. That's a great price and the leaves are big enough. You don't need a ton for good coverage on your wreath. So layer these on the bottom and then put a nicer, more expensive material on top so you don't have to use as much of it. Another item I love are these burnt orange grasses. I've used these in a lot of wreaths. Like, I know I keep saying that, but these are ones I keep coming back to year over year. They're just such a good burnt orange color and they provide great texture for fall. Another one I really love, probably my favorite in the whole pick aisle, are these bronze ferns. They're a great filler and they add that beautiful high-end metallic look for a really low cost. They're so pretty. You can use it as one pick like this, or you can break it up into 3 different leaves, which I love. So you really only need 2 or 3 of these if you just want a touch of metallic in your wreath. Here are the picks of those stems we talked about earlier in the stem aisle. These are great, and you still get 4 different berry clusters and 2 leaves from one pick. Such a great deal. It's only $3.99. Now, the last thing I like over here are these pumpkins. Of all the pumpkin picks here, these are my favorite. They've got the realistic coloring on them and they come with a pick, which I love, of course. Makes it really easy for wreath making. All right, now in the garlands, there's one that I like, and it's this bow garland. It's $12.99, of course, 40% off. And look at the quality of these bows. Every single one of them is such a pretty color. Every one of them is such a pretty color, and you get 7 already made bows in one garland. Such a great deal. Now, if you're looking for some less expensive pumpkin picks, I really like this whole section here. You can get white pumpkins, a mix of different colors. I don't love the orange ones here because the coloring is too simple. You need to have a little variation in coloring like those other picks we saw. But these are great, and so are these gourds. How cute would these be in a wreath? Now they're foam, they're really lightweight, so it's really easy just to poke a hole in the bottom and add your own pick. So it's really great for wreath making. Thanks for coming to Hobby Lobby with me. Let me know which item was your favorite and if you have anything different in your store that you love. I would love to know. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye.